What's good, y'all? It is 4th of July.
Smooth in the motherfucker.
4th of July, we got our festive little outfits on. This is my man's shirt. It's giving old school American, and this is giving Shein. So we just went to Walmart, and now we're going to go to Publix because we have to get some stuff from Publix for his mom. She gonna cook, and then we just gonna see what we get into today. Like, so far I just did my hair, like just hung out with family for a little bit, but I think we might get into something later, so stay tuned. Hopefully we get into some fun stuff today. Keep watching, y'all. Keep watching. Hello. Made it into Publix. My first thing that we have to get is elbow noodles. Your hair looks crazy. Rack ribs, Mexican cheese. Okay. Alrighty, well, I'll see you guys when we get to the end of this little Publix haul because I hate recording in here. So this is what we got from Publix, y'all. So we got some ribs. It was buy one get one free. We got some brown sugar, some cheeses, some macaroni noodles. I got this card for my in-laws because their anniversary was like this past week. And then I just got some beans, a lot of beans actually. This is the best. This is the best. So good.
Friendly nigga shit.
Yeet. Guys, I think my dream car just parked right next to us. Y'all, we back home now. We back home. We made it back. And we had to whip up a little bit of some juices, so. Okay. So I found this thing on Pinterest. And you need like lemonade, strawberries, grenadine, you know, just like non-alcoholic stuff, and then you mix it and you get like a cute little 4th of July drink. So yeah,
Cut.
so we are choosing between this glass or this glass. So which one do you think of? Okay,
I mean, if you want to use that big ass, you could use that.
it's nice. It's a nice glass. It's just a different shape. Okay, non-alcoholic. It's just for the festives of July 4th. Okay, so we have this.
They're done.
Ooh. Cocktail.
You keep doing it.
Get mad now.
We went to the store and I said, "Tell me what I need before I walk in." And she
What
gonna
did you
tell.
need?
Look, this is what it says.
What does it say?
What's up, y'all? We just set off the fireworks and everything, and now we're like stinky, disgusting, and sweaty. And so we're about to get in the shower, do a little skincare, do a little hygiene care, and then we're gonna go.
Get that face nice and bright, skin looking good,
Yep.
breath smelling great.
Skin looking good, hair looking good. I'm gonna do my hair, I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna do all that. and then we gonna hit the town. We gonna Pound Town, just left Pound Town. Oh, we about to be out. See me and you trying to see what's up.
Struggle, ugliness, and a success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city.
So y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. So we just got out the shower. Like I told y'all, we was finna shower. We was finna tighten up because we was smelling and we was looking. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do our skincare together.
Wash that face.
He gotta wash his face, do all that, do his hair. I gotta do my hair, you know. So we gonna do that together. And we just gonna talk to y'all. First, we always go in with some soap. I've been trying this La Roche-Posay. And you know, I'm going in on my cleanse brush. Guys, I'm really trying to figure out the root of my acne. And I don't know if it's fungal, if it's hormonal. Honestly, it might be hormonal, but I don't know. I feel like that's harder to cure and take care of.
She got all the five gadgets. You know, I just use my hand.
Y'all, my man has beautiful skin. Like, he don't need all this extra stuff. He just do it because we like to do it together, and he saw me doing it. He likes to do it, so. But it's like, I love doing skincare together. It's like one of my favorite parts of the day. So he going in with that cleanser too, and then I'm going in with the cleanser I just showed you. And also we use this one, and this one's really good too. So I'm gonna rinse out my eyes because they black. All right, so skin is damp. Now we're gonna go in with our hyaluronic acid. I'm trying to see if this helps my skin barrier and see if this is the reason I'm breaking out over here. So I'm just doing a couple drops. Get anyway. Oh, you are. Guys, this has like a weird consistency if you don't like. This is my go-to perfume. Honestly, my go-to is my Valentino one, but I haven't had that one in months. So I've just been using this Jimmy Choo one that my grandpapa gave me.
I'm about to go get changed.
Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go in with my Miel. And y'all, look, I dropped it on the floor and it broke. Whenever I slick my hair back, I try and keep it like as moisturized as possible because I'm really prone to breakage. One, because my hair is being slicked back, and two, because of my hair like texture. It like is typically really dry, and dryness breaking, you know. So I just put it like in my part, and then on this little piece right here, because apparently that's where the hair goes out of your scalp. Camera your hair loud. Look, I'm teaching her so well. Anyways, perfect. Oh, she outside. That's my boyfriend's little sister, y'all. She's so funny. Love her hair. So we're about to head out, and I don't know where we're going, but me and my man are gonna have a blast. That's all I know. there's no better thing than being outside but with your person, you know? Like, we about to be out in the streets, but we about to be together. Y'all, so we just made it to the gas station because we have to get some gas before we hit the club, before we hit the town, pound town. And then Bae want to get a drink, and I also need to get us a charger for our car. So we came to a Rebel.
This shit used to be
Rebel?
Racetrack. I mean,
y'all ever heard of a Rebel?
It used to be Speedway. They just changed it because
closed for shift change. Yeah. That's ghetto. Pound town. I'm more sick because I can't get a phone charger and my phone is on 6%. That is sick. That is sick. So this is our fits.
Hood Rich shirt. Got this from the mall.
Okay.
I forgot what store in the mall. These jeans, I done had them for a couple of years. They probably some bullshit, just some shit to go out in.
You can't cuss, remember that?
Yeah. These some Kizzo. Shout out to Kizzo. I went to the Miami sneaker con convention. Kizzo got me right with these. Gucci watch. I lose my earrings all the time, so these just some sterling silver bullshit. Oh.
So my fit is from Forever 21. Forever 21, I got the dress. The shoes, my toes aren't done and my nails aren't done, and these sandals are very much giving poor and homeless, but I am. I got them from I don't even know where, probably like Marshall's a couple years ago. Earrings, Forever 21. Girl, I got no drip on tonight because we outside. Like, I'm not trying to be like looking bad and bougie when I'm out in the street because I feel like I'm gonna get sweaty and shit. So I just made sure to do the face real cute. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he trying to get gasoline on me. Follow me on Instagram if y'all haven't. But we're about to hit the club. We're about to hit downtown. We're about to see what the word is.
Coming in?
So I'm like trying to get this perfect footage right now. I'll be in. Happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Jim from elementary school. We went to the same elementary and middle school.
Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these drinking too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. Make little bro hit this dick and start getting low.
Alright, y'all. So we just made it out to the parking lot. We in the city. And we're just gonna park. So I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera. I don't really know if I'm trying to bring my camera in the club. So yeah, it's just like we outside and stuff, so y'all will see a little bit of like in the clips.
I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Gloss and coppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the collar, the for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rock on my problems, we stacking up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. So you crack up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the trucks, I'm counting more fake. Sky swelling, smoothie, and a prison. 250 flying, Richard Mello. But they damage to his empty because I'm spitting flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm tough. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, make sure you give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Comment, I don't know where you're watching from, okay? I appreciate all of you guys. I love all of you guys for the support. And if you haven't, make sure you tune into last week's video. I'll make sure to link it right here.